Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Cairo in Egypt. So today, the Great Sphinx of Giza is part of my world. The Great Sphinx of Giza is a limestone statue of a reclining sphinx, a mythical creature with the head of a human and the body of a lion. Facing directly from west to east, it stands on the Giza Plateau on the west bank of the Nile in Giza, Egypt. The face of the Sphinx appears to represent the pharaoh Khafre. The original shape of the Sphinx was cut from the bedrock and has since been restored with layers of limestone blocks. It measures 73 meters long from paw to tail, 20 meters high from the base to the top of the head, and 19 meters wide at its rear haunches. The Sphinx is the oldest known monumental sculpture in Egypt and one of the most recognizable statues in the world. The archaeological evidence suggests that it was created by ancient Egyptians of the Old Kingdom during the reign of Khafre. The circumstances surrounding the Sphinx's nose being broken off are uncertain, but close inspection suggests a deliberate act using rods or chisels. Contrary to a popular myth, it was not broken off by cannon fire from Napoleon's troops during his 1798 Egyptian campaign. Its absence is in fact depicted in artwork predating Napoleon and is referred to in descriptions by a 15th century historian. So now as I get closer to the world famous Sphinx of Giza, come with me and let's take a look.
So we drive again through Cheops, but from the back area, where we can see, of course, the three where inside we buried, or the king buried the boats, which are to be carved here. No, of course not. The whole statue, which has the dimension of the plateau, it's naturally made from limestone, as you can see. So they carved the statue, the head. We think that the most part was carved is the head, and the remain body of the Sphinx was already here before even Khafre. A small temple, which we call the Valley Temple, inside to you and then to suggest things. We sometimes will get lost inside the market, so we will go through directly to the temple, or the Valley Temple.
رش بقى العمل علينا، رش بقى العمل علينا. شفيك جايب لنا البضاعه بترش.
Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. It's there in the morning. Okay, cool.
Ça, c'est les monumentaux.
Just sailing this way towards the Sphinx. Hopefully just through this archway straight ahead.
$1.
It's like being at the paint shop.
$1. $1, €1. $1, €1. بعدين ولا ايه؟ عارف بكام؟ عارف بكام يا استاذ؟
Black Coke, Pepsi, Cola, water.
ايه 1 euro la stappa.
انا عارف
3 دولار.
So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Stevie's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.